Consumer Reports highlights the critical need for thorough research on vehicle reliability prior to purchase, aiming to mitigate potential financial setbacks. Knowledge empowers buyers to avoid vehicles that may lead to disappointment. The Chrysler Pacifica hybrid markets itself as an eco-conscious choice. However, it suffers from reliability challenges, resulting in costly maintenance and frequent recalls. Many owners encounter substantial difficulties with its battery system. In contrast, the Nissan Frontier, a midsize pickup, is hindered by outdated design and engineering flaws. This results in transmission issues and airbag failures, alongside disappointing fuel efficiency and interior quality compared to its rivals. Consequently, the Nissan Frontier's production is winding down due to its track record of unreliable components, leaving many consumers dissatisfied in their quest for a dependable midsize truck. Alternative options are now strongly suggested. Shifting focus, the Volvo XC60, despite its luxurious features, grapples with reliability concerns, including several recalls and persistent infotainment problems, rendering it less appealing for those considering long-term ownership. Similarly, the Land Rover Range Rover Sport, celebrated for its luxury, struggles with consistency and incurs high maintenance costs, presenting challenges for anyone seeking a trustworthy SUV. The Fiat 500L, once viewed as an economical choice, is now burdened by steep depreciation and frequent repair needs, transforming it into a costly long-term investment. Its initial allure fails to offset these pressing deficiencies. Moreover, the Chevrolet Blazer tends to prioritize aesthetics over practicality, resulting in lackluster performance and exorbitant repair costs, leading many owners to question the justification of its base price. On another note, while the Buick Encore offers a compact and comfortable ride, it often suffers from performance shortcomings and technical troubles that can lead to expensive repairs. Several alternatives in its segment promise better reliability and features. The Ford Bronco's nostalgic design and off-road prowess are enticing. However, its engine performance and reliability issues cause concern for those relying on it for daily driving. Many owners report frequent mechanical problems. Equally, the Rivian R1T pairs innovative design with electric vehicle technology but struggles with software and charging limitations, which can impact its practical use and reliability in everyday situations. The Mitsubishi Mirage, marketed as a budget-friendly option, falls short due to its poor performance and low safety ratings, creating doubts for frugal buyers. Furthermore, maintenance costs can accumulate rapidly over time. Several recalls linked to defects in fuel lines and airbag systems have eroded consumer trust in the Jetta's reliability, diminishing its appeal in an already competitive marketplace. Likewise, the Dodge Durango, while boasting impressive towing capabilities, presents notable disadvantages such as subpar fuel efficiency and low safety ratings, raising questions about its suitability for daily use. As for the Polestar 2, this modern electric vehicle option faces challenges related to ride quality, software glitches, and a limited service network, negatively affecting overall customer satisfaction. One significant criticism of the Wrangler is its vague steering, which can render highway driving unsafe and exhausting for the operator. This issue substantially impacts the overall driving experience. Furthermore, the Wrangler has reported problems with rust and corrosion, raising serious concerns regarding its long-term durability and reliability. These factors significantly affect consumer confidence in its quality. Lastly, with a low average fuel efficiency of just 19 mpg, the Wrangler proves to be costly to operate compared to other vehicles in its class. Such inefficiency detracts from its practicality as a daily commuter.